Hello everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and here I am decorating the last week in my 2023 Hobonichi Cousin. So this is the week of December 25th through to the 31st, and you know what? I love it when the year ends on the Sunday and then the start of 2024 is on a Monday. Yeah, so satisfying. What I will be decorating with this week is my Christmas lights collection. This was released in November, and I guess I drew these on Procreate, and I just love the way that these look, and I cannot wait to use them. Let's get started. All right, first thing I think I'm going to do is put these washi right across the top. And what I like is that, well, okay, originally the way that these stickers came to be was that I was practicing or trying to look at different tutorials for how to do these as watercolor, but I thought I wasn't very comfortable in my skills just yet, so I decided to do these in Procreate. Oh my god, I love that. And I love how they came out. Sorry, distracted. I love how these turned out in Procreate, and it showed me that my skill, or how I've progressed since I first started my sticker shop, that was a bit of an eye-opener for me, because I would not have been able to do this I wouldn't have been able to do these stickers, let's say, in a couple of years ago. So, all right, what sticker I'm gonna put? Blue. But I wouldn't have been able to do these a couple of years ago because I wouldn't have known the different functions within Procreate, what the best thing to do would have been. It just, yeah, it would have really, really been so hard for me to do this. And I'm very grateful for the opportunity to have been able to learn and grow this past year with your support of my shop. So thank you for that. All right, so I feel like this is also going to be a very rainbow spread because of all the colors. I mean, how pretty. But then that makes me think, what ink do I want to use? So in terms of the inks that I have inked up, Golden Gate Bridge would be a good red. There isn't really, I mean, that would be a green, but that sheens more red. So I'm trying to think which would definitely be the best. So there's the Golden Gate Bridge, which has the red. Diamine, I don't know if Diamine, but One More Sleep would work, which is in my, my Onawin would work. So this plus this, although I have to check. No, not this one. That one has Celebration in it. My Honeycomb SD. How much ink is left in this one? It must be, oh yeah, there's enough in here to get through the week. Okay, so I could use these two. I feel like I could use Celebration as well, but in terms of purple, oh, there goes my husband hoovering now. All right, so now that my husband is done with the vacuum, I can get in here and start doing this again. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is find my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, which was here. I did a big clean out of my office the other day, and oh, there, it was just upside down. So I'm gonna write in the word sleep, and then place one of these on there. Let's take the bright one. Nice. And then just draw in my graph. Now I have to say, I'm still not great at filling it in, but I have been better about the way that I've been using my Hobonichi Cousin in the last couple of weeks, just writing every little thing. Well, I'll say every little thing, but things that are happening on a day-to-day basis. So it's more like a memory keeping type of planner for me. So I'll show you quickly. for example, what last week's looks like. It's so full and I love it. And it's just even things like I worked on all the reviews, my Galen leather order arrived, Casey started my pen, I filmed my Secret Santa, we watched Schindler's List, I folded the laundry, I deep cleaned my office. So just things like that. And it really helps to fill out a spread, but also for me is helpful to look back on when I am filling out my daily journal. So I think I'm really gonna stick to being able to use it just like that. Then underneath will be workout. And I have been really enjoying actually doing the weight training workouts from 10 rounds from Beachbody or Body or whatever they're called now. Here we go. And I mix that with doing my stepper workouts. So combining the two has worked really well for me. The Monday is the stepper. Yes, I still plan on working out on Christmas Day because even if it's just my stepper machine, I really, really enjoy doing that. So 10 rounds, week 6 lower. And then once I finish this program, I will start it again because I really liked the 30-minute weight training exercises. It fits in well with my schedule. And there we go. Saturday and Sunday. Then the stepper. Perfect. Then I will go in now. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I was gonna start writing in work, but I don't work this week. Hello. So what I'm gonna then do is just write in the word meals. And then I will cover that with the paint swatches. I can't believe that this is going to be my last week in the Hobonichi Cousin. And then next week I will be decorating in my Sterling Ink Common Planner. And there's always going to be some level of nervousness when you're moving into a new planner. I think it just, starting something new, you don't want to mess it up. But the thing with the A5 Common Planner is that really it's not that hugely different from the Hobonichi. For me going from, oh, that's my chair, me going from the Hobonichi to the Sterling Ink, there's going to be slight differences in where the numbers are laid out and things like that, but overall format is not going to change too much. So I'm not going to be too worried about that. I think someone, I can't remember, I think it was Amy who commented on one of my videos saying, I'm so sad you're divorcing the cousin. I don't think it's a divorce per se. It's an amicable split. Okay, so this is a tough one because we don't really have too much scheduled except for, well, there's to-dos. So I think what I'm going to write down here is our to-do, which is the usual meal plan and order groceries. But then I'm gonna leave the rest of the day pretty open because we haven't fully decided what we're going to do on Christmas Day yet, whether we're going to the movies or maybe we go to the movies on Boxing Day. We have not fully decided that, and that's okay. But we do know that on the evening of Boxing Day, we'll be at my parents' house. So I'm gonna probably put here, family dinner. And I'm gonna leave the rest of the day pretty open. But then also in the evening, what we need to do is put out the garbage bins. I think it's just also an excuse for me to use these. Let's see, oh there. See, these are from Paper Bits Co. and they're adorable. Put out garbage. I really should have been alternating these pens, but that's okay. And then Wednesday, nothing yet that I know of, which is, oh, I think what I wanted to do was to do a deeper clean of the kitchen. And the truth is, in terms of what I'm doing these next few days, there are certain things that I know that I do need to do, especially for my shop. But I think I will add them in on a day-to-day basis versus fill them all out here. Friday, I'm not gonna make any plans yet as to whether or not I'm going to Weight Watchers that day, because I will have both of my kids with me, so I won't really be able to stay and hang out. Saturday, what I think we're going to be able to do is go to Mass at 4:30 and probably do some of our cleaning that day as well. And then I think what I will do is actually put our cleaning list on this day. So, oh, I forgot groceries. My husband will be picking up groceries on Thursday. How many of you were yelling at the TV going, groceries? Honestly, if you were, write down in the comments that if you were, because I do occasionally get that. Then Sunday, we are meeting my cousin and his girlfriend for brunch. And that will be very, very fun. I'm excited. 11:30 brunch with cousins. Well, hold on, brunch. I'll just leave it like that for now. Oh, I was gonna put down cleaning. That's what I had this lovely, cute little girl out. So cleaning will be the usual. Bathrooms and vacuum, windows. Henry will go around to get all the garbage bins. And Robin will do, actually Robin just needs to focus on cleaning her room. Then we'll do the bed linens as well. Now, with the way things are, I think folding laundry will probably be Wednesday. See, this is a tough one. I think I'm just gonna, I don't want to schedule it because this whole week is gonna be all over the place. Now, there's gonna be brunch, but I believe that there's also, Henry may also have Ninja. So I might be going to brunch, Henry might be going to Ninja with my husband. I don't know yet, we're still figuring that out. So this whole week is a little bit up in the air because we're on vacation. Well, I'm on vacation. And what happens is that we try to schedule things. They don't always go to plan, and that's okay. And I'm gonna just do the quote down here. Let your light shine bright. It was hard to find a quote that was Christmassy about lights. I don't know why, but ooh, there we go. Let your light shine bright. Perfect. Okay, I know this looks very sparse, but that's what happens with Christmas week, or the week between Christmas and New Year, especially since I'm not working, which I'm very happy about. That things will happen as they happen, and then I will fill it in as I go. And then I think what I'll do is I will probably do a full flip through of this whole Hobonichi Cousin effect from July to December and show you every weekly spread. But this spread will basically be filled out as I go, similar to this week, similar to this week. And I'm really glad that I'm doing it and keeping track of everything as I go, because it just seems more lively, more full of life. All right, so starting off very blank, but as the week goes, I will fill it out. And that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you. This is just all over the place, but I really enjoy using these stickers, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my daily spreads with these stickers. Thank you again for watching my last Hobonichi Cousin spread, and wishing you and your loved ones a safe holiday and a happy new year.